Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out how to use VideoPad Video Editor, the best video editing software. This is the tutorial one of using VideoPad Video Editor. In this video I will let you know the interference of VideoPad Video Editor, how to add files, how to delete the files, and simple video editing. In the coming videos, I will let you know more about this VideoPad video editor, and we will cover professional video editing. So click on create a new project. Now here you can see the interference of VideoPad video editor. This is saying sequence is empty. Okay, it means there are no images in the sequence preview. This is a sequence preview tab. And here is the media storage. Here all the media you add to the project will come here. This is the timeline. Here is the video track 1, audio track 1. Okay, so now how to add files, I will let you know about that. You can click on add files. I'm choosing this file. Click on it. Now if you want to add this file to your timeline, then you have to drag and drop this file on the timeline. The default time for this image is 3 seconds. You can set it, like I am setting it like this. You can see it. I am decreasing the length of the time. Now I am increasing it. Okay, I want like this. Okay, so now you can see the video. I will let you know how to delete the part. I will let you know. Now simply click on the timeline. Now simply follow my steps. You can use this to you like this. Okay, I want to delete this part, or you can even delete the whole clip by this. Now I will let you know how to add effect to this image. Click on the effect icon. Now click on any effect you want. I am going to use a pan and zoom effect. Now I will set the start frame and the end frame for the video preview. Now I will add another effect. It is saturation. It is one of the best effects to color up your image. I want it to be like 50. It is looking good, yeah. If we increase, it will become more dark. Like I said 60. It has become more colorful. See this video now. It is looking very good, very good. It is very good. You must check it. Check out these effects. So in this video we have learned how to add files, how to add effects, simple effects. I will let you know with more complex effects in the next coming videos. I have let you know the pan and zoom effect and how to add files to your media. Subscribe my channel so you never miss our video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.